Hey guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony XO. How are you guys doing today? So last week I was very much under the weather and I'm still not 100%, but I thought I would go ahead and do my one brand, not Fenty, I have Fenty on the brain, sorry, Huda Beauty Get Ready With Me. So these are going to be all the products I pulled the last time I did a Shop My Stash. I pulled all my Huda Beauty products, lip products, concealer, face spray, a couple of palettes, bronzer. So I have all my Huda Beauty products that we're going to play with today. But I do have the Huda Beauty concealer. It looks like this. So we're going to use this. Now if you've been watching my channel for a while, you know that this is not my favorite concealer. For one, I got a shade way too light for me. This is in the color Whipped Cream. So it's super like almost white, and then it's very full coverage. I'm talking like full coverage. So if this was more my shade, I feel like I could use this as a foundation, and I think I would enjoy it more, because I don't know, I just don't get a lot of use out of this. And it was like almost, I want to say it was $30 for this concealer. So I'm going to use it today as concealer though, and I might have to blend another shade with it, but it does come with this little cooling like metal tip that goes up under your eye, which I do enjoy that part of it. It feels nice, and it can like depuff your under eyes, but the color is just way not right. So what I'm gonna do, and this is kind of like one of those concealers, like if you don't blend out right away, it will dry. So I'm just gonna put this under my eyes, and I'm probably gonna, like I said, add another just a random concealer to add, because this is just too light. So yeah, we're just gonna do a Get Ready With Me today using my Huda Beauty products. And I do have this new e.l.f. concealer sponge, and I'm just gonna kind of blend. I haven't really got to test this concealer sponge out, so I just wanted to see how well it blends concealer. So let me see how bright this is gonna be. I might can make it work, but do you guys see how bright that is? Let me add, I do have a concealer that's right here that's in my project pan, so I think I'm just gonna add that, and just make it a little bit not as white. So yeah, just gonna blend that out. Like I said, this is what I'm working with today, so it's crazy brightening, right? We're just gonna work with it. Okay, so like I said, I don't have powder or anything like that, so I'm gonna go off camera, powder my face. You know what? I lied. I do have a bronzer that is a cream bronzer. I'm gonna go ahead and use that now. Let me get it out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this bronzer out. This is the Huda Beauty Tan Tour Contour and Bronzer Cream in the color Light. Looks like this. If you hear thundering, it is storming outside, so sorry about that. But that's what it is. It is a cream bronzer slash contour, so we're going to use that. And then we're going to powder the face. I'm going to try this brush right here. This is just a very small Bare Minerals Flawless Face brush. Sometimes I use it for cream products. So let me see. Again, go up over my forehead a little bit. Tip of my nose, a little bit on my chin, a little bit on my cheeks. I am going to contour my nose with a different brush. I'm just going to get this little Real Techniques brush and I'm just going to contour the sides of my nose. Just blend it out. I also like to go up under my lip to create a shadow when I cream contour. Okay, so that is my cream bronzer look. Alright, so now we are going to powder. I'm going to go ahead and do brows, powder, whatever else I need to do. I'll come back and I'll show you some more Huda Beauty products that I have. So I'll be right back. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and use the medium one. This one I think has one of my favorite colors in here. So I think we're going to play up this palette. So there's a color in here that is my favorite. It's this shimmer right here in the middle. It's just this gorgeous. It kind of matches what I'm wearing today. So I'm just going to place that all over the lid. You know how I like to kind of do my eyeshadow backwards these days. So I'm going to put this gorgeous shimmer. I'll show you what color it is. That's what color it is. It's so, oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. So we're going to put this all over the lid first. And, oh my god, look at the pigmentation of this shadow. It's so pretty. I'm probably going to get a brush to do the detail part of it, because it's kind of hard to put this exactly where you want it with just your fingers. So I'm going to go in with a brush to do the detail part of it, because I do want it really close to the corners and the outer corner. Where is my, there it is. Okay, so let me get a brush and spray it. I'm going to wet my brush and I'm going to pack the shimmer on my lid. And then we're going to go in with a crease and kind of blend that out and kind of blow it out and smoke it out, and then do something on the lower lash line. And I'm excited. So let me go ahead and find, I don't know what I do with my brushes. I think I washed them today, so they're not over here. Let me get a brush and spray it, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just got this brush. I think it's like, yeah, Anastasia Beverly Hills brushes, the dual-ended brushes, the one with the little flat. So I sprayed it with my Huda Beauty Resting Boss Face Spray. And I just sprayed it, and then I packed on my lids with the shimmer, if you can see that. And now I'm going to take the other side of the brush, and we're going to go in and just kind of buff the edges out. I'm trying to figure out what color I want to use. Which way do I want to go? This one or this one? I don't know. I think I want to go in with this little matte kind of pinky color, which is right there. I'm going to use this little mirror right here. And I'm just going to take this brush. Let me go back in with the lightest, it's basically the lightest shade in this palette. And I'm just going to blend. I don't really like this side of the brush as much as I like the other side, but all my brushes are being clean, and this is the one that I had on hand, so this is the one we're going to work with. So just going to blend that out like that. You can see that. Alright, let's go back again and blend, like I said, so there's no harsh lines. Okay, so like I said, I did put that lighter shade, which is so pretty. I put that on the kind of the inner part right here, and I just kind of blended it towards the middle, and it just really, I just really like the way it brightened up this look. So it's really, really pretty. So that's what's on my eyes. I love it. Now we're going to do the bottom part of my eye. I'm just going to take the end of the brush that I had packed on with a shimmer, and I'm going to go in with that matte shade. And we're just going to go up under the eye with a matte shade. Let me go ahead and line my lips with this nudie color, which is in Trendsetter. I believe it's Trendsetter. Yeah. We're going to use this lip liner in Trendsetter by Huda Beauty. Just because it's a nude. I'm going to go ahead and go in with this color. Like I said, it is Spring Break, and this is the matte, Huda Matte lipstick. So we're going to try this. Okay, I am going to use a lip liner just to kind of blend this out a little bit better. I know my eyes look a little strange. They're not finished, so don't freak out just yet. These Huda lip liners, like, they do not come off. Like, I'm sitting here, I've been like scrubbing them, and they just won't come off. So they're very, like, they do stay. They stain your hand. So those are really, really nice lip liners. Alright, so I'm gonna put some lashes on, and then we're gonna try the last two products, which are these right here, and we'll be done with our Huda Beauty look for the week. So let's do it. So I'm just gonna put the Ardell, I'm just gonna put some of these little Ardell wispy lashes on today. Went off camera, put on some wispy Ardell lashes, pop those bad boys on, pop some just Essence mascara, and now we're gonna do the Huda Beauty liner. Like I said, one side is a liquid liner and one side is like a crayon. So let's do the crayon side first. Okay, so you just pull the top off, and it is a twist. You can see that. And I'm just going to put, I'm not going to put a lot on because I don't like my eyes kind of closed, but I'm just going to put a little bit in the waterline, just kind of smudge it a little bit. Just a little bit. Like that. And then for, you know what I could do? I could go up under my eye as well. Sometimes I like to do that to darken up under my eye. Tight line. The other side, I think they have a new mascara like this, exactly like this, where you have a dual-ended mascara, two different ones. This is two different eyeliners. So you get a pencil eyeliner and a liquid. So the liquid has a very like thin brush tip, which is not my favorite for liquid liner because it can get very, very, very messy. So it looks like this, and it just has, like I said, like a brush tip. If it'll focus. There you go. It's like a brush tip. So I'm going to try to wipe as much off as I can possibly wipe off because I don't want to mess up my makeup. And I'm just going to go above my lash line. I'm not going to do any kind of crazy wing or anything like that. Because it's just going to go above my lash line. So that was that. I don't use that very often. And now we're going to use the, if I can see, the Resting Ball Space. And this is the setting spray. So it's supposed to make your makeup last all day. And this does like smell like a hairspray, and it is a little kind of sticky, so it feels like a hairspray on your face. And I don't know, I just feel like every time I use it, my makeup kind of lasts all day. So I personally like it, but it is extremely fragrant and extremely, like, I mean, it really does feel like hairspray on your face. So if you're not a fan of that type of thing, you probably wouldn't like this. So just letting you guys know. Plus it's kind of on the pricey side. So that is the last Huda Beauty product I have. I used most of my products in here, all my Huda Beauty products that I have. And this is the look that we got today. Let me know what you guys think. I think the next thing we're going to do is drugstore. I got a lot of requests for drugstore. So my next shop my stash should be drugstore makeup only. So yeah, looking forward to doing that. Get ready with me as well, and I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you next time. Bye.